Sure, my name is Kamea Lafontaine. I'm a dentist here in Alberta, Canada, and I currently practice in Calgary. So I've been a dentist for about 6 years now. My main passion is general dentistry, and I love treating everybody from children all the way up to retirees who are just trying to get their teeth right for retirement. And so that's my zone. That's how I love to practice. Well, I think the biggest thing that we face as dentists is economic factors, patient shifts in their sentiment towards us, challenges that they personally have, and when you're in the industry, it's often easy to get into a bubble. And so I'm always looking for, different seminars and different ways of training so that I can be outside of what everyone else is hearing. Because if we all hear the same thing, we're all going to do the same thing. And so I found that Envision had a little bit of a different approach, and they hadn't necessarily focused on this industry. And that was really interesting to me, and that's part of the reason why I decided to come to this course. I felt like I would get a different perspective than what I would typically get in the dentist realm of our continuing education. One of the biggest misconceptions I think that they have is that we're not people, and that somehow that makes us unrelatable. And so as social media and different business practices come into play, we can use who we are and where we come from and act like regular people and connect with people as well. And so I think understanding business and how it's done in 2017 and beyond will help any dentist open up themselves to exploring that part of them that doesn't have to act a certain way or be a certain kind of person to be a dentist. We're all very, very different. We're a diverse country, we're a diverse industry, and if you don't use that to your advantage, I think you're missing out. If you're just gonna model yourself after the quote-unquote ideal dentist and how they practice and how they act and how they speak and how they do business, I think you're really missing one of your strongest advantages. Because generally I think that's where we get lost in dentistry on the business side, is we think that we're somehow different from everyone else, and we're not. We have to treat people the same way that any other company would. We have to take care of them, they have needs, we have to take care of our customers and listen to them, and so the skills are always transferable. But when you put them in context of dentistry, they can be very powerful. But I find dentistry will progress a little bit slower than the rest of the world. And so that's why I like to hear what everyone else is doing and catch, topics from outside of our industry and then apply them inside the industry. So I find that all this knowledge transfers really well, and that's why I'm enjoying it. So.